MA Social Work, first rank, secured by Anthony Ludhraj, A. Thank you, fathers.
Special awards for co-curricular activities. Reverend Father Albert Muttumala SJ Medal for the winner of Know Your series goes to Gibran Abdul Jafar. Mother Teresa Flows Award goes to Kalai Chelvi. Sri PAC Ramasamy Raja Gold Medal for Best All-Rounder Among Girls goes to Akshaya R. VIT Chancellor's Viswanathan Gold Medal for Best All-Rounder of Loyola 2014-15 goes to Akshaya S. Kerala Kudumbam Award goes to Karthik Raja M. Best Outgoing Students for BA French for this academic year goes to Gayatri P. Professor C.R. Babuji Endowment Lecture Medal for Plant Biology Biotechnology goes to Kavi Muhil. For Best Orator, Rex Wilson Medal for Plant Biology Biotechnology goes to Charles P. Mr. Amar Memorial Medal for Overall Performance in BA History goes to Karthik Manoharan. Reverend Dr. V. Joseph Xavier S.J. Medal for SECNARM goes to Manigandan K. Reverend Father A.J. Tamburaj S.J. Medal for Popularizing Environmental Protection and Awareness goes to Hari Prasad R. For Tamil, Father Arulsamy Prize for Best Essay in Tamil, first prize goes to Ananda Raj. For Father Rajanayagam Prize, Best Essay in Tamil, second prize goes to Janith Ruban. Father Machoda Award, Best Tamil Oratory, first prize goes to Yusuf Sharif. Father Machoda Award, Best Tamil Oratory, second prize goes to Arul Santosh. Sekilar Prize, Essay Competition in Periyapuranam, first prize goes to Mohana Vasantan. Sekilar Prize, Essay Speech Competition in Periyapuranam, second prize goes to Dinesh Kumar. Father C.K. Swami Golden Jubilee Award, Speech Competition, first prize goes to Ram Shankar. Father C.K. Swami Golden Jubilee Award for Speech Competition, second prize goes to Napoleon. Father C.K. Swami Golden Jubilee Award for Speech Competition, third prize goes to Bharat Sundaram. Best Outgoing Sportsman for Shift 1, Dr. Satyaseelan Award goes to Pandian S. Outstanding Sportsman for Shift 2 goes to Anto Patel. Best Army Cadet for Shift 1 goes to Vignesh K. Best Army Cadet Shift 1, Infant Carmel Reju. Best Army Cadet for Shift 2, Siddharth Sriram. Best Army Cadet Shift 2, Arun K. Best Naval Cadet goes to Saravanan AK. Best Naval Cadet for Shift 1 goes to Ragadeeban. Best Naval Cadet Shift 2, Machal Amalraj. Best NSS Volunteer goes to Deenadayalan. Best NSS Volunteer Shift 2 goes to Suresh Krishna. Best Rotractor Francis Rim Kelvin. Best Rotractor Vignesh Kumar for Shift 2. Honoring Arul Rosario for receiving the National Balabhavan's Balasri Honor 2012 Award by the Ministry of HRD, Government of India, Tamil Nadu. Netaji R is receiving the award, National Award for Best Social Service in Yoga by Human Care Human Rights Protection, New Delhi. Special Award for Students in Elocution, Reverend Father L.D. Murphy Prize, Ivan Arokyaraj David. Best Leadership and Public Speaking, Reverend Father Jerome D'Souza, S.J. Prize goes to Jagannath. Outstanding Leadership Awards to our Student Union members, Union President Vigneshwar, Union Secretary Azad Nizar Basulla, Vice President Karthik M, Joint Secretary Frad Omar, Associate Secretary Sarada. John Fernandez Prize, which was instituted by Mr. Saravanan, Mr. M. Balasubramaniam and M.S. Guhan of AVM secured, who has secured the highest mark in the 10th standard, goes to A. Felix. May I request our Chief Guest, His Excellency M.K. Murule, to distribute the awards to our research scholars and staff members. The Best Outgoing Student Award for the year 2014-15, Mrs. Devasena Jnanaprakasam Award and VIT Chancellor's Viswanathan Gold Medal Award goes to Periyapandi Selvam. Three awards: Best Loyalite Award for the year 2014-15, VIT Chancellor's Viswanathan Gold Medal and Loyola Students Union 2012-13 Medal for Star of Loyola 2014-15 goes to Yusuf Sharif. Research Award, Reverend Father Resin S.J. Award, which was instituted by Reverend Father Resin Center, Department of Mathematics, Loyola College, to be given to the best research scholar who have published the highest number of research paper in this academic year in mathematics, goes to Asirvadam. Dr. Indira Rajasingh Endowment Award for 2014-15, instituted by the Department of Mathematics, to be given to a research scholar for the maximum publication of the research papers in journals with the impact factors in this academic year, goes to Raj Kumar. Reverend Father Yellam Yadanapalli S.J. Award, the Research Committee of Loyola College confers Reverend Father Yadanapalli S.J. Research Award for Science for the academic year 2014-15 for the publication of maximum number of research papers in national and international journals, goes to Dr. R. Ravindran, Department of Plant Biology, Biotechnology. Professor T.N. Anandakishan Research Award, the Research Committee of Loyola College confers Professor T.N. Anandakishan Research Award for Arts for the publication of maximum number of research papers in national and international journals, goes to Dr. T. Joseph, Department of Commerce. Good Samaritan Award, instituted in the name of Reverend Father Xavier Vedam S.J., to be given to the most deserving and appealing person who helps others, whether known or unknown, like a good Samaritan at the time of their distress in their life, education, unemployment, accident, and the like social problems, goes to Dr. C. Santaram, HOD, Department of Statistics. Mrs. S.P. Philomena Xavier Raj Award for 2014-15 for the best non-teaching staff of this year goes to Mr. P. Kanniyappan, marker of our college. It is customary for Loyola College to appreciate and honor the teaching and administrative staff members who are put in 100% attendance during this academic year 14-15. 8 academic staff members and 3 administrative staff members who have put in 100% attendance will be honored by our chief guest now. Professor P. Mary Jessirani, Department of Social Work. Dr. M. Selvaraj, Department of Economics. Dr. E. Anand, Department of Outreach. Professor Simon Aju Sudhakar, School of Social Excellence. Professor S. Amalanathan, Department of Commerce. Professor S. Charles Jail Singh, Department of Commerce. Professor D. John Paul, Department of Social Work. Professor D. Edward Sudhakar, Department of Social Work. Mr. B. V. Thirutuva Raja, Lab Assistant, Chemistry Department. Professor B. V. Amala Rajendran, Live. And Mr. Marian from Shift 2 office. Thank you.
Thank you, sirs and fathers. Congratulations to all medal and award winners. Rest is not idleness, and to lie sometimes on the grass under the trees on a summer's day, listening to the murmur of water or watching the clouds float across the blue sky is by no means waste of time. Now I invite Reverend Father G. Joseph Anthony Sami of the Society of Jesus, our principal, to felicitate our jubilarians and retiring staff.
This is another important moment, and this is, as I told you in the beginning, now we are going to thank our professors who spent 25 years in this institution in service. Also, we will be expressing our gratefulness to our staff, 14 of them, who rendered more than 30 years of their life in this institution, and now they are retiring. And therefore, expressing our gratefulness, I request all of you to stand. All of you to stand. And as you stand, think of your parents as you are relaxing, stretching yourselves. Think of your parents who brought you into this institution. Also, I am asking you now to think of the teachers who are teaching you in our institution. Of the staff members, several of them are completing 25 years, and we would like to appreciate them. And another 14 of them are retiring this year. We would like to remember them gratefully, and we would like to pray that they may enjoy good health in their life. Kindly keep them in your prayer and please be seated. This is also an exercise for you since you are seated for a long time. Two of our faculty members and 14 administrative staff members have completed 25 years of service in our college this year. I request all the jubilarians to come to the stage. For computational purpose for 12 administrative staff members, their overall experience in this campus have been taken into account as we wish to honor them for their service not only to Loyola College but also other places in this campus. We thank them for their committed and dedicated service in the campus as well as to the student community. We wish them many more years of fruitful service in this college. I request as chief guest to adorn each one of them with a shawl and honor them with a memento. Dr. John R. Devadasan, Associate Professor of Chemistry. Dr. S. Andoni Selvanathan, Associate Professor of Tamil. Dr. S. Andoni Selvanathan, Associate Professor of Tamil. All the jubilarians, please keep standing. We will have a group photo. Mr. A. John Brito Kennedy, Lab Assistant, Special Grade. Mr. D. Edward Royappan, Lab Assistant. Mr. A. Sahaya Raj, Lab Assistant. Mr. S. Richard Bhaskar, Junior Assistant. Next.
Mr. M. Irudayadas, Lab Assistant. Mr. T. Arokyadas, Gardener. Mr. M. Victor Ignatius, Lab Assistant. Mr. J. Peter Francis, Lab Assistant. Mr. S. A. Anthony Swami, Junior Assistant. Mr. K. V. Wilson, Lab Assistant. Mr. I. Arokyaraj, Lab Assistant. Mr. I. Arokyam, Lab Assistant, Senior Grade. Arokyam, Arokyaraj. Mr. I. Arokyam, Lab Assistant. Mr. J. Jnana Arokyam, Jnana Arokyam. Mr. Thomas Arokyam. Sir, அப்படியே I request Father Rector, Father Secretary and the Deputy Principal and Vice Principal join them in the group photo. Thank you very much. May God bless you. I am very grateful to our staff members who are retiring this academic year. I appreciate their dedication and their commitment to Loyola College. There are 11 academic and 3 administrative staff are retiring. And I request our chief guest again to adorn each one of them with a shawl and give them a memento, also a cash award. I request Father Rector and Secretary to help them as the chief guest adorns them. Please give the other gifts too. I request Dr. T. Ambrose. Professor Ambrose is a rare combination of simplicity and scholarship. He handled some of the most difficult topics in evolutionary biology with considerable ease. Teaching is a calling to him and not just yet another job, nor it is a way of earning one's bread and butter. He is very empathetic towards students from poorer sections and does not mind walking an extra mile for them. He is a friend of all and foe to none. He is the acclaimed integrative force of the department, of which he served as the HOD and a mentor to many young faculties in the department. He is one of the longest innings in the one of the longest innings in the faculty history of Loyola College. He spent 35 years. We thank you for your dedicated service to Loyola. We wish you a very happy retired Dr. Ambrose. Thank you. I request Dr. C. Santaram. Dr. Santaram is known as a soft-spoken gentleman, professor of the Department of Statistics He is a very religious and God-fearing person. For a long time, several departments in our college depended on his expertise in statistics, particularly in the field of econometrics. Dr. Shantaram has excelled both in teaching and research in statistics. His docility and kind-hearted nature has endeared himself to several students who gratefully remember him today for the supportive role he played during their studentship in Loyola. He is a true Democrat who is inclined to solicit and respect others' opinion, and for the same reason remains steadfastly accommodative towards his colleagues in the department. He has served Loyola for 34 years. We thank you for your committed service to college and wish you a very happy retired life, Dr. Shantaram. Professor T. Vincent Jayakumar is not here because of his ill health. Dr. Bernard D. Swami. Dr. Bernard D. Swami is three entities combined into one. A committed teacher, a passionate researcher, and a highly vocal social activist. Perhaps no other teacher in this campus has surpassed Dr. Swami's track record as a loyal academic who held some very important portfolios in our college. He was a HOD, Dean of Students, ICUF National Advisor, Director of Placement and Training Cell, IQAC Coordinator, and Director of Outreach. Outside Loyola, he has taken many avatars, some of which include diocesan council member, member of the editorial boards, president of the South Indian American Studies Network, media person, crusader of social causes, a scholarly resource person on accreditation and autonomy, and many more. Dr. Bernard D. Swami is a student-friendly and a highly affable teacher. He is currently devoting his time to migration studies, besides guiding several young historians for their PhD. Bernard D. Swami, dear Bernard D. Swami, sir, I thank you for all the valuable contributions you made to this college and the job well done, and wish you a very happy retired life. God bless you. Dr. Oscar C. Niggli. Oscar C. Niggli is an eloquent teacher of economics who served Loyola for 30 years. He served Loyola as the Dean of Students, founder director of international programs, besides being a passionate teacher. Dr. Niggli served as an MLA for a term in the Tamil Nadu State Assembly, representing the Anglo-Indian community in Tamil Nadu. He is highly talented and approachable and is committed to whatever he undertakes. He is the most sought after commentator for several functions in the college, the most memorable being the sports day. Dr. Niggli, I thank you for all the services you rendered to this college and wish you a very happy retired life. God bless you. Dr. S. Albones Raj. Dr. S. Albones Raj was appointed in the year 1984 in the Department of Sociology and has put in 30 years of commendable service at Loyola College. He has been serving the college in many capacities. As the head of the Department of Sociology for 6 years, Dean of Arts for 3 years, and Vice Principal Administration Shift 1 for 4 years. He also has served as the coordinator for FEAA for 3 years, ICUF advisor for 3 years, and as a students counselor for 2 years. He rendered committed and commendable service as Chairman, Students' Union Election Commission for 4 years, and has served as the member of the Disciplinary Committee for 7 long years. His commitment as Chief Superintendent of Examination during the semester examinations is highly commendable. His service is the Standardization of Staff Welfare Association is worth mentioning. He is very soft, dedicated, and a friendly person who holds values very dear to his heart. He is highly systematic in his approach and served in almost all the committees in the college administration. We thank you for his sincere and devoted service to Loyola College and wish you a very happy retired life, dear Dr. Alphonse Raj. God bless you. Dr. V. Alexander. Dr. V. Alexander is a quintessential researcher who besides making a name for himself among the community of chemistry researchers, brought glory and honor to the college and elevating it as an institute of advanced research in metallurgical chemistry. Professor Alexander is a meticulous person who would attend to every detail of the plan he drafts. He is a passionate chemistry teacher with his own circle of student admirers. Currently, he is serving as a HOD of chemistry department. Under his leadership, the chemistry laboratories are renovated and refurbished. Dr. Alexander is an epitome of hard work and sincerity. He is a chemistry teacher with a strong conviction about the indispensability of value education. He was also Assistant Director of Loyola College Hostel. On behalf of Loyola College management, I thank you for the substantive contributions you have made to teaching and research in the field of chemistry, and I wish you a very happy retired life. God bless you, sir. Professor R. Amaladas. Professor R. Amaladas has put in 27 years of service at Loyola. He is a very compassionate and committed teacher. He is a religious person who has held important leadership positions in Loyola Catholic Club, besides serving as the Assistant Director of Loyola Hostel for a term. He was instrumental in organizing retreat programs for the staff. He has brought a joy of giving dimension to the Catholic staff movement inside and outside the college. His forthright way of speaking has made him a regular itinerant in several business meetings of the college. Professor Amaladas, with his hallmark laughter and friendly disposition, is a teacher remembered by several alumni of the college. I thank you for all your contributions to Loyola College and wish you a very happy retired life. God bless you, Professor Amaladas. Dr. A. Devaraj. Dr. A. Devaraj is a multifaceted scholar in English literature. Commonwealth literature has been his field of research. Professor Devaraj is a standing example of person who from a humble beginning ascended to the position of a professor of English. Professor Devaraj is talented, hardworking and witty. His sense of humor coupled with his smiling disposition has earned him several friends. He is a committed teacher and an effective counselor to students. He served the college for 25 years and 2 years as a director of placement and training cell. He has represented our college in the Academic Council of the University of Madras. Besides appearing in several talk shows in television channels, he has contributed articles in scholarly journals and books and edited issues of popular magazines. He has served as a resource person in training program, both academic and corporate. We thank you, Dr. Devaraj, for all that you have done for the students and to this college. And I wish you a very happy retired life. God bless you. Reverend Dr. S. Arokya Swami S.J. Father S. Arokya Swami epitomizes simplicity. Being a Jesuit priest, he has brought Jesuit values to bear upon whatever office he holds. Father Arokya Swami has contributed immensely to the educational administration in this college and in other Jesuit colleges in Tamil Nadu. He served as the Deputy Director of Loyola Hostel, Vice Principal, Deputy Principal, Director of PULC program, and now as the Controller of Examinations. Father Arokya Swami is a committed teacher who paid special attention to students who studied in vernacular medium at the school level. I thank you, Father, for the excellent services you rendered to this college in various capacities and wish you a very happy retired life. God bless you. Professor John, who served as a faculty for 7 years in the Department of Economics, Shift 2, is a fascinating economic teacher. He is a quiet, warm and highly accommodative person for which he is highly respected by his colleagues and students alike. He is a person who could teach any topic in economics with a lot of enthusiasm and spirit. He is a disciplinarian who successfully maintains discipline in the class. Thank you, Professor John, for all the contributions you made to enrich the campus life in Loyola and wish you a very happy retired life. God bless you. Now, Mr. James Arul Ryan. Mr. James Arul Ryan, an assistant in the administrative section of the college, has put in more than 28 years of service in our college in various capacities. His ties with Loyola started way back in 1973 as a table boy at Jesuit residence. His combined service put together totals up to 40 years in the campus. He is a meticulous and hardworking employee. He does not believe in ostentation. He is happy doing his work silently without any expectation of rewards. A true Nishkama Karmin indeed. I thank you for your committed service to this college. God bless you. Mr. P.A. Peter Paul. Mr. P.A. Peter Paul, junior assistant in our college library, retires after 24 years of committed service to the college. Mr. Peter Paul has served in various divisions of the administrative structure of our college. His association with the diploma course in tourism and travel management in the middle 80s and the hard work he had put in popularizing this diploma program along with Professor U. Munuswamy and Professor Jayachandran is worth acknowledging. I thank you, sir, for the contributions you made to this institution. God bless you, Peter Paul. Mr. K. Kanniyappan. உயர் திரு கன்னியப்பன் அவர்கள் 14 ஆண்டுகளாக நம்முடைய விளையாட்டு மைதானத்தை பராமரித்து வந்தவர்கள். கன்னியப்பன் அவர்கள் அவருடைய வாழ்க்கை முழுவதையுமே லோயோலா கல்லூரியிலே செலவழித்தவர். பல விளையாட்டு வீரர்கள் இவருடைய பாதத்தை தொட்டு அவர்களுடைய வெற்றிக்கு இவர் காரணம் என்பதை காட்டியிருக்கிறார்கள். கன்னியப்பன் அவரே ஒரு சிறந்த விளையாட்டு வீரர், சிறந்த கோச். நீங்கள் விளையாட்டு மைதானத்திலே பார்க்கலாம், அவர் மாணவர்களுக்கு கோச்சிங் கொடுப்பார். அவர் சிறந்த விளையாட்டு வீரர். உங்களுடைய தன்னலமில்லா சேவையை நாங்கள் மெரிதும் பாராட்டுகிறோம். வாழ்க உங்களுடைய பணி. உடல் நலமும் நன்றாக இருக்க கடவுளை வேண்டுகிறோம். கன்னியப்பன் வாழ்க. And wish them God's blessings. Please be seated. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Thank you, Father. And we wish our jubilarians and retiring staff, may God's abundant grace and mercy be upon each one of you. It is necessary then to cultivate the habit of being grateful for every good thing that comes to you and to give thanks continuously. And because all things have contributed to your advancement, and you should include all things in your gratitude. As quoted by Wallace, so here I invite Professor G. Ramamurthy, our Deputy Principal, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Respected dignitaries on the dais, officials of the college, teaching and non-teaching fraternity, invitees, alumni, and my dear students, good evening to all of you. Loyola College Day is not merely a ritual, but it is an exercise aimed at making the achievement of the members of the Loyola family during this academic year, which is known to each and every one of you, and also a time to reaffirm our commitment to strive for excellence in everything we do in our lives and to our society. I consider it a great honor for me to have the opportunity to stand before you not only to give a vote of thanks, but also to thank the God Almighty for showering His choicest blessings on this great temple of learning, for making this institution to serve the economically poor people and downtrodden in the society and to the students' community at large, to mold them to become men and women to others. We are very grateful to our chief guest, His Excellency F.K. Murule, High Commissioner of South Africa, New Delhi, for his kindness in accepting our invitation to be the chief guest for this day and for distributing the awards and prizes. We are indeed very thankful to you, sir, for your presence here and for your thought-provoking address. Thank you very much, sir. I take this opportunity to thank Reverend Father Rector, Reverend Father Secretary, Reverend Father Principal, all officials of the college, heads and coordinators of the department, all teaching and non-teaching staff members, members of the various committees, office bearers of Students' Union, parents, alumni, special invitees, benefactors, media persons for their valuable presence and to over our students to make our college day function a very great success. Finally, I would like to take this opportunity to place on record my heartfelt thanks to all those who stood by me for the perfect logistic support and guidance to make this college day function a memorable one. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Before national anthem, let me give you information. So, once the national anthem is over, let us all stand so that till the dignitaries leave the place, please stand. And after the national anthem, we have a few culturals. So now, I request all of you to stand for the national anthem. I request the audience to stand there itself till the dignitaries leave the place.
I request the students to give attendance, and I also appeal to the staff, please do take the attendance before leaving. I request the staff to take the attendance before the students leave the venue.